Welcome back, fellow adventurers. Today, we're embarking on an exciting expedition to Paris, where we'll dive deep into the enchanting universe of the Eiffel Tower. Join me as we unravel its astonishing history, architectural brilliance, and mind-boggling statistics that continue to astound visitors from around the globe. Did you know that the Eiffel Tower was constructed as the centerpiece of the 1889 Exposition Universelle, a World's Fair held in Paris to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the French Revolution? Its remarkable construction took over 2 years, employing the talents of over 300 steelworkers. Are you ready to uncover more intriguing facts about this iconic structure? Let's dive in. As we ascend the Eiffel Tower, let's take a moment to appreciate its architectural magnificence. Standing at an astounding height of 330 meters, this towering iron lattice structure revolutionized the world of engineering when it was unveiled. Gustave Eiffel, the mastermind behind its design, ingeniously created a masterpiece that defied all expectations. With over 18,000 individual iron pieces held together by an astonishing 2.5 million rivets, the Eiffel Tower stands as a testament to both engineering genius and artistic prowess. This awe-inspiring structure served as a symbol of France's industrial and architectural prowess, captivating the imaginations of millions who visit it every year. Let's now venture inside this architectural marvel and discover the hidden wonders it holds. Did you know that the Eiffel Tower comprises 3 observation decks, each offering breathtaking panoramic views of the City of Lights? From the first level, you can marvel at the picturesque streets and landmarks of Paris, while the second level takes you even higher, offering a mesmerizing view of the Seine River meandering through the heart of the city. Finally, the topmost third level allows you to experience unparalleled vistas that stretch for miles, showcasing the beauty of the entire city. As night falls, a mystical transformation takes place. The Iron Lady, as affectionately termed by the Parisians, becomes a radiant beacon of light. Did you know that the Eiffel Tower sparkles with more than 20,000 dazzling lights every evening for 5 minutes every hour? This mesmerizing light spectacle attracts millions of tourists annually, as the tower transforms into a magical and mesmerizing sight. Whether you're admiring it from afar or standing beneath its gleaming brilliance, the Eiffel Tower's illumination is a sight you won't soon forget. Before we bid our adieus to this architectural wonder, let's uncover a few mind-boggling facts about the Eiffel Tower that will leave you astounded. Did you know that the Eiffel Tower weighs a staggering 10,100 tons? That's equivalent to around 50 blue whales. And here's an intriguing fact for you: the tower's height even varies by up to 15 centimeters depending on the temperature. The Eiffel Tower also played a significant role in the world of broadcasting. Back in 1909, it transmitted the first long-distance radio communications, connecting Paris with Bordeaux. These are just a taste of the captivating facts that await you when exploring the Eiffel Tower. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your journey to this awe-inspiring structure and experience the wonders that await you at the heart of Paris. And that's a wrap, my fellow adventurers. I hope you enjoyed this exhilarating exploration of the Eiffel Tower. If you want to discover more fascinating destinations and uncover the hidden wonders of the world, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our global community of travel enthusiasts. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Remember, life is an adventure waiting to be discovered,